Hi everyone, I am Bilal Ghori. We often complain about freedom of expression in Pakistan. Recently, an elderly man better known as Chacha was booked in Lahore for using objectionable words against CM Punjab, Mariam Nawaz and Army Chief Field Marshal Asim Munir. But our neighboring country, India, is more brutal to suppress freedom of speech. An Indian cartoonist is in big trouble for insulting Prime Minister Modi and RSS. In this vlog, I will explain what's the case and how the poor cartoonist was pushed to the wall. Last month, a case was registered against Indian cartoonist Hemant Malviya for posting a cartoon on Facebook depicting a member of Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, also known as RSS, an ultra-nationalist and extremist Hindu organization, and the Prime Minister Modi. Hemant Malviya has been charged under Section 196, 299 and 352 of Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita, also known as BNS, the Indian Penal Code that came into effect on 1st July 2024 for acts that alleged disturbed communal harmony and religious sentiments. Indian cartoonist is also charged under Section 67A of the Information Technology Act for electronically sharing content depicting sexually explicit acts. The complainant in this case, Vijay Joshi, who is RSS activist, alleged that Hemant Malviya's Facebook profile contained images, videos and comments that were deliberately posted to incite hatred against the RSS. Indore-based cartoonist Hemant Malviya approached local courts for bail before arrest, but his application was turned down. Even Madhya Pradesh High Court refused anticipatory bail and the poor cartoonist knocked the door of the Supreme Court. A bench headed by Indian Supreme Court Judge Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia expressed his dismay over the 50-year-old cartoonist's immaturity and called his reaction an abuse of freedom of speech and expression. Speaking in Hindi, Justice Dhulia rebuked Malviya over the posts, saying हद है, लोग किसी को भी कुछ भी कह देते हैं, means this is too much. These days people write anything, say anything without caring about the language. Advocate Vrinda Grover, representing Malviya, clarified in the court that the original cartoon was published in 2020 during COVID. Nothing was wrong in that original cartoon. In Hindi, there was written, "Hi, why are you getting scared?" The pan seller from Sirsa told that the vaccine is just water and no one dies from the side effects of water. The post in question, a cartoon posing question about the efficacy of the COVID vaccine, was reused by a Facebook user in May 2025 along with certain comments in the context of the government's decision to hold a cause census. Malviya reshared the post and endorsed the comments. The judges were told that the FIR is not about original cartoon. It is about the post made by someone else who took his cartoon and added religious text to it. Yet the state's wrath has fallen upon his client. Grover also emphasized that Malviya was ready to take down the post. Ultimately, bail was granted to the cartoonist, but the judges were denied and insisted that this is misuse of freedom of speech. They passed remarks that these days people say anything on social media just to become heroes. The court also hinted at passing orders on ways to deal with abusive social media posts in the next hearing on the matter after August 15. It is pertinent and relevant to mention that India ranks 151 out of 180 countries in the World Press Freedom Index compiled by Reporters Without Borders. And the previous year, during 2024, India was ranked 159 by RSF. Pakistan's press freedom ranking has consistently been low, with a significant decline in recent years. In 2024, Reporters Without Borders means RSF ranked Pakistan 152 out of 180 countries in the World Press Freedom Index. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more vlogs. I would be waiting for your valuable feedback. Do subscribe my channel and hit bell icon if you wish to get notifications of new videos. Bye.